Ready, Butchkin? Do anything to that thing. I'm swimming under the water. I'm sorry, Boops, you do it.
Exactly, that's probably why she wanted me to come over. Probably. Why don't you just fucking ask? Fucking heat all day.